Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Motion Ninja app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Motion Ninja and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Motion. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it. You can fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.